Hari Om. This is Yogacharya Dr. Pradeep Yogi, and we are running a yoga college in Haridwar, Janvi Ayurved and Yoga College. We provide different type of courses from in national or international organizations like from Uttarakhand Sanskrit University. This is the government university. You can do MA Yoga and diploma and other certificate courses. Other Ayurvedic courses also we provide, and international courses like yoga teacher training course and 200 hours, 300 hours, 500 hours like this. So you can learn here different type of courses, yoga related and Ayurveda related, Panchkarma, naturopath, herbs. These type of courses we can teach you, and we can provide the certificate, government certificate. So today Patanjali Yoga Darshan or Patanjali Yoga Pradeep, this is the book on yoga. You can say this is the best book of yoga. The Maharishi Patanjali explained the yoga in 195 sutras. So people should understand what is actually yoga, definition of yoga, real sense of yoga. The word yoga, you can say, when we understand the word yoga has been formed by joining the root yuj with the suffix dhan. So according to Panini's grammar, Panini wrote Ashtadhyay. According to Panini's grammar, the root yuj is found in their guns. Means three guns like yuj samadho, अर्थात मीन्स युज समाधो दिवाति ही आत्मने पद, एंड सेकंड इज युजिर योगे रुदाधि उभयपदी, एंड थर्ड वन इज युज संयमने चुरादि ही परस्मय पदी. मीन्स योग कनेक्ट्स समाधि और ट्रांस. जोड़ या जोड़ मीन्स यूनियन, द एंड संयमन, the self restraint. So understand these three things: yujir yoge, yuj samadho, and yuj sanyamane. So you can understand the mool and basic concept of yoga. According to famous Sanskrit dictionary Amarkosh, yoga is harmony of meditation. It is a technique of meditation, as said yoga sannhopaya dhyana sangati yuktishu. In ancient Indian medical science, a formula is known as yoga. It is harmonious placement of two objects. To put in other words, it is concord or union, join together. Generally, people believe that yoga is a technique which bestows supernatural powers and which enables a man to perform superhuman feats. Means it is also you get the supernatural power, you get the vibhutis, as Maharishi Patanjali described in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, in different chapters. So in that you can study and you can understand. In the first Richa of 81st Sukta, Pancham Mandal of Rig Veda, it is written like when you study Rig Veda or you study other Ved also, you will find the different sukts or different sloks about yoga. So in every text of India, the yoga is there. You can see in the yoga, in the books. Understand? So in Rig Veda, it is said that युज्यते मन उत युज्यते धियो विप्रः विप्रस्य बृहतो विपश्चितः मी होत्र दधे वयुना विदेक इनमहि देवस्य सवितुः परिहुतिः. So this slok is defined Vipra or learned men fix their mind and intelligence on God, who alone is omniscient and glorious. He is the best adored God, and you become the learned man or Vipra. Fix their mind and fix their intelligence. So when you start yoga, it is you are in that state only. So you need to understand, you need to analyze yourself. Yoga is eternal. Yoga is when universe formed. It is said in you study Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The Lord Krishna has said in the beginning of the 4th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. What he said to the Arjun? He said, Imam vivasvate yogam proktavahan vyayam. Lord Krishna said, I revealed this eternal yoga to Vivasvan. Vivasvan means sun. I would reveal the same ancient yoga to you, Arjun. So we are very lucky we have that yoga. You understand this? Thus, the Gita is perfect yoga shastra in which the Lord has used the word in its totality, encompassing Raj Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Surati Yoga, Lay Yoga, etc. The Bhagavad Gita calls Sri Krishna Yatra Yogeshwaraha Krishno Yatra Partho Dhanurtra. Lord Krishna, Lord Sri Krishna says in the Gita, Oh Arjun, that yogi is dearest to me, who remembers me wholeheartedly and is continuously linked with me. In other words, yoga is nothing but total devotion with mind, body, and action to God. So in this video, you understand this thing and analyze what is yoga, as Lord Krishna said. So we need to feel, we need to go to intense deep in the yoga. Your birth will be meaningful if you understand real thing of yoga. Hari Om. Hari Om. Yogein chitasya padein vacham malam sharirasya cha vedyakin yopa karotam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliranotoshmi. We are discussing about Patanjali Yoga Sutra. So students, this is very important to understand. This is the second video about Patanjali Yoga Sutra, and we are introducing, or you can say, introduction of Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Patanjali Yoga Sutra will start from the chapter after some videos. So before this, you need to understand Bhagavad Gita and other things, as in previous video you studied. The Lord Sri Krishna says in Gita, what he says, Anyanashinyanto ma yo janah paryupasate tesham nitye bhiyuktanam yogam chevam vahavyat. बहुत ही, it is very important shlok of Maharshi Patanjali of Bhagavad Gita, as you can connect with Maharshi Patanjali. Ananya means not any other being. I bear the whole burden of such a devotee who worships only me, Lord Krishna said, and none else. In other words, you can say yoga means exclusive devotion to God, Ishwar Pranidhan, as Maharshi Patanjali said. So, what is method of yoga prescribed by the Gita? In Bhagavad Gita, lots of shloks you can understand and you can study about yoga. And in every chapter of Bhagavad Gita, it is yoga and all chapters name on the yoga. Okay, so let's understand the next shlok of one of the shlok of Bhagavad Gita. Sarv dvarani संयम्य मनो हृदय निरुद्ध च मूर्ध्याधात्मनः प्राणमास्थितो योग धारणम. So what is the meaning of this slok? After withdrawing the senses from objects and stabilizing the flickering mind in the region of heart and fixing the mind's eyes in the intellect, one should chant Om, which is symbolical of the supreme entity. As you have listened, the Om is the name of Pranava, is the name of God, the Moola name of God, the fundamental name of God. So, supreme entity and meditate on my form. If one so meditate, relinquishing the body consciousness, he attains the supreme goal. So, let's go ahead. Omityakaksharam Brahma Vyaharam Mamushmaram Ye Priyati Tyajte Hamse Yati Parmagati. In other words, yoga denotes communion with yoga or union with yoga, with God. Yoga denotes union with God. When would it happen and how it happen? It happens when you understand the anyan chetah satatam yo mam smriti nityashah tasyaham sulabha parth nitya yuktasya yogina. So basic concept that God is saying in Bhagavad Gita, I am always approachable to a yogi. Understand? If you are a yogi, God never disappear from you. So I am always approachable to a yogi who without any break worship me with singular devotion, without any diversion to other gods and goddesses. So, communion with God is the outcome of yoga. This is a result of yoga. It is never the cheap demonstration of supernatural powers. What is yoga? When God said that tam vidyad dukha sanyog vyogam yoga sangitam sa nishchayen yoktuyo yoga nirvanna chetasa. In this sutra, Lord Krishna says that which is free from joys of association and pangs of separation is called yoga. The attainment of the supreme bliss which accrues from the union with God, and it is known as yoga. So guys and my dear students, it is really very surprising that yoga has lost its real importance and importance nowadays. You can see all over the world what you understanding about yoga. You can see the pictures, you can see the videos. So people have started talking hypnotism, sorcery and magic as yoga. The propagandists devote their mind to master the mantric skill of killing an adversary or forcing anyone through magical incantation to maybe you can quit his occupation or for enchanting someone into submission. Maran, Uchchatan and Vashikan. Maran Tantra, Uchchatan or Vashikan mantras. Some yogis have started coming to possess power to subvert the fruits of karmas through strange gymnics of mantras and talismans. So, true yogi remains so absorbed in the contemplation of God that he does not even take care of his physical body. But nowadays, fake cunning persons grow long hair like this. I'm not understand and besmear their body with ashes to entrap simple person. True love of God is the path of contemplation and anguish of separation. When we see today the tremendous publicity of asana, awakening of kundali, meditation camps, pranayam camps being organized in the name of yoga in the country as well as abroad, we feel compelled to deduce how the modern men and women are being deprived of the true and genuine path of Patanjali's Yoga Darshan. Under such odd circumstances, on the request of the devotees visiting the ashrams and expressing their desire to know the truth, systematic explanation of the sutras of Maharshi Patanjali were given. The same discourse have been compiled here and presented in the form of a book for you. After the death of Bhartha, Briharth or the last emperor of Maurya, Briharth or Maurya dynasty, the rule of his Brahmin military commander Pushyamitra Shung started. He demolished the principles of Lord Buddha and propounded the superiority of Brahmans on the basis of birth and thus established the system of Chaturvarna. But in the Bhagavad Gita, you can study Chaturvarna as explained in the letter. It is not like that. So, since then, the Smritis which supported this new system came to be honored as Dharma Shastra. Patanjali was a contemporary of Pushyamitra. You can understand the timing of Maharshi Patanjali. So we were talking about Pushyamitra Sung. He being alarmed to a new order, presenting in crisp maxims sutras the beneficial knowledge of yoga, so that the ancient wisdom and lore of India might not decay. Although he presented the principles of yoga in pithy, short sutras, but the presentation is very clear. It reveals that his command over the grammar and discipline of words was extraordinary. This is a popular saying that Lord Patanjali created the Yoga Sutra Mahabhashya and Charak Samhita for removing the disorder of mind and body. As in the beginning of the video, I chant a mantra that now again I am chanting again or telling again about this mantra. Yogen chitasya paden vacham malam sharirasya cha vaidyaken yopa karotam pravraram muninam patanjalim pranjalanatoshmi. So Maharshi Patanjali has not written anything new in the name of yoga. You must understand this, and you should know this. And he wrote in sutras, whatever is present in the Gita. Restraint of the activities of mind has been directed in the Gita. Yatro paramate chittam niruddham yoga sevya. The concept of aparigraha, possessionlessness, which is a part of yama prescribed by Patanjali, has been borrowed from the Gita, which directs what he directs. Which direction is ekaki yat chittatma nirashariya parigraha. Similarly, what Patanjali says, Sthira Sukham Asanam, has been bodily lifted from the Gita, which suggests that Sthiram Asanam Atmanam. Sthiram Asanam Atmanam. Maharshi Patanjali, same. Maharshi Patanjali also advocates, like the Gita, regular practice and renunciation. And Maharshi has reproduced all the prescriptions of the Gita, like chanting Om, meditation on the image of some renunciant saint, the kindling of sadhanas by Sadguru, attainment of self-realization, etc. Everything of the Maharshi is nothing but transcriptions of the Gita. Now, at present, two kinds of yoga system are very popular. Firstly, the system which is based on the Yoga Sutra of Maharshi Patanjali, and secondly, the system which is known as Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga, Patanjali, Yoga Chittanushasana. It preaches the discipline of the propensities of mind, whereas Hatha Yoga is connected with the physical exercise, health, and cure diseases. Patanjali named the stability of mind and easy posture asana. As yoga, on the other hand, the book of Hatha Yoga gives a long list of 84 lakhs of asanas. You understand how much the yoni, 84 lakhs of yoni, so that much asanas. In Hatha Yoga practice of the Neti, Dhoti, Vasti, Nauli, Tratak, Kapalbhati, Mahamudra, Khechri, Chalandar, Udyan, Moolband, Vajroli, Amroli, and Sahajoli are included, or lots of other things also. If you study the other books, Gherand Sahinta, Hatha Yoga Pradipika, etc. So Yoga Darshan of Patanjali is silent on them. So under the system of Hatha Yoga, piercing all the 6 chakras, the Kundalini is taken to the Brahmarandra. Only 6 parts of yoga have been described here instead of 8 parts of Patanjali Yoga system. Yam and Niyam have been excluded. Pranayam, according to the Hatha Yoga, directs to watch the inhalation of breath, withholding it and then exhaling it. And it is of different kinds, Ujjayi, Bhastrika, or Surya Bhedi, Brahmari, Shitali, Shitkari, and others. According to Patanjali, the attainment of siddhis are regarded as obstacle in the path of the self-realization. The Hatha Yogis take them to be important achievements. The fluent and the flaunt them before people. A lot of confusion today prevails on account of intermixing the two systems. Actually, by taking physical acrobatics as yoga, a lot of development has taken place. The real and wholesome yoga system is that which hauls from the Vedas and goes up to Gita incessantly, and which has been reinforced by Maharshi Patanjali and his sutras during the period of Shunga. Pushyamitra Singh. I already told you about the Pushyamitra Singh. The Yoga Darshan of Patanjali is meant for a whole mankind and aims at the annihilation of cause of sorrows and attainment of eternal liberation. The Yoga Sutras are tough and do not fully present some stage of yoga practice. They are in the form of crisp remarks. They seem to be directing the readers to approach any self-realized Sadguru for direct transmission. With this message, the interpretation of the Yoga Sutra of Maharshi Patanjali are presented here to you. So students, be here and be present to listen Maharshi Patanjali Yoga Sutra, the English version, and you can understand and you can give to lectures to anyone to understand after understanding the things. And because many people go to the Western countries and other foreign countries, they can teach there very perfectly and real sense of yoga, real meaning of yoga, so that the real sense of yoga should be preserved. Otherwise, you can see in the whole market what is happening. So, all my dear students who are studying with us, doing MA Yoga and other courses, PhD, TTC and other courses, they have the responsibility on their shoulders to protect yoga as it is. Hari Om.